Have you ever wanted to take your smartphone videos to the next level? Meet the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 series, the best smartphone gimbal yet. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just someone who loves capturing life's moments, this little gadget has something for everyone. First up, the design. It's sleek, foldable, and super lightweight, making it easy to toss into your bag and take anywhere. Traveling solo? No problem. The built-in tripod and magnetic clamp make it ridiculously simple to set up and shoot without a helping hand. And speaking of the clamp, it's updated to hold even larger smartphones, up to 3.3 inches wide, without needing to remove your case. Just snap it on, and you're ready to go. Let's talk about what really makes this gimbal shine: stability. The Osmo Mobile 7 features upgraded 3-axis stabilization that keeps your footage smooth even if you're walking, running, or, let's be honest, chasing after your dog. And then there's the magic of Active Track 7.0. It can now track body shapes and automatically follow your subject even if they step out of the frame. Perfect for keeping up with kids, pets, or that friend who refuses to sit still. The onboard controls are intuitive and easy to master. There's a joystick for precise movements, a zoom slider to get closer to the action, and a handy trigger on the back. Triple tap it to quickly switch to selfie mode. Plus, it pairs with your phone via Bluetooth 5.3, so you can control everything wirelessly. Feeling creative? The Osmo Mobile 7 comes packed with intelligent shooting modes like time-lapse, motion-lapse, and hyperlapse for those cinematic transitions. Or try dynamic zoom, which lets you stretch or compress your video for a dramatic effect. Want something even cooler? Use the new Parents and Kids mode to track your little ones automatically and create adorable digital keepsakes with pre-made templates. Shooting in low light, the built-in fill light has you covered. It's adjustable, so you can get just the right level of brightness without washing out your subject. And for immersive audio, the Osmo Mobile 7 integrates seamlessly with the DJI Mic Mini transmitter, delivering crystal clear sound every time. One thing I love about this gimbal is the 10-hour battery life. That's plenty of juice for a full day of shooting. Oh, and did I mention? You can even use it to charge your phone in a pinch. Talk about convenience. The DJI Mimo app adds another layer of creativity. With one-tap editing and AI-powered shot guides, it makes creating professional quality videos incredibly simple. And if you've got an Apple Watch, you can control the gimbal remotely, view the camera feed, and even enable Active Track without touching your phone. So, who's the Osmo Mobile 7 for? Honestly, anyone. Whether you're documenting family memories, filming a travel vlog, or diving into TikTok trends, this gimbal is built to adapt to your style. It's like having a professional videographer in your pocket. To sum it up, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 series isn't just a gimbal, it's a game changer. With buttery smooth stabilization, intelligent tracking, and creative shooting modes, it's hands down the best smartphone gimbal on the market. Ready to take your content to the next level? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips to elevate your content.